guys, today we're going to be going over the LG Spectrum x360 and we're going to see how it goes. This is what's included in the package. I think this is basically like a pouch. Let's see what it is. Pretty excited for this. It's probably going to be the laptop I'm using for editing and everything. Putting that you need. Oh, this is fancy, bro. So it's like a leather kind of. Okay, kind of leathery, but I think it's plastic. Beautiful for keep in mind the price for this retail unit is $1,600. So for $1,600, let's see what we get. I'm gonna cut myself before this, so and let me see. I don't have an unboxing knife, but I do have one of my name tags for work at AT&T. For AT&T, let me see. Keep in mind this is from a tech guy's point of view. It's upside down, I think. Actually, it is upside down. Actually, look at this. And this is the Spectre. Okay, so I am just improvising this. I know the camera is gonna be super shaky when I first see the recordings. Okay, so. And nice packaging, really does. Oh man, I am in love with the packaging for this laptop. A little heavy on the heavy side. Keep in mind it's gonna be my main productivity desktop. If I do decide to keep it, this is a trial run by Best Buy. So if you guys want to shop for your laptops, there is a lot of cool people at Best Buy willing to help you out. And yeah, so let's just put this off to the side. Right over that we get some instruction manuals. Set them to the side. Remove the tap, and we do have the box. Here's the box. Oh, is this a slimmer one that I've seen from them? Pretty well thought of, actually. I like it. Here's what that's in there. They include, I think, the pencil for it. I think the Spectrum, they do include a pencil for it, so you don't have to worry about purchasing it separately. So let's see how it goes. What's the quality of the pen? Oh, it's a charge to a Type-C. Type-C to Type-C. Actually, it doesn't feel how bad. Oh, it's pretty good. I might keep this. Okay, so let's get this out of the way. There's a nice presentation for you guys. Now, keep in mind, this is my first laptop that I get after the last one that I used to have. It does have for a camera shut-off button, and I found a mistake. This is one with the NVIDIA x360, x360, if I'm not mistaken. That's what it's called, like that. The one hand open thing. Perfect. There is no issue. Did not even lift off. I like the little cloth they always include with their laptops. Travel perfect. Their little keypads. They have it on and off. The screen is something that I saw and I loved at the store. So I think the power buttons should be on the side, and they have the fingerprint sensor as well. So headphone jack still there, present, saying hello to everybody. And we find the power button. Oh, okay. Where's the power button? That is weird. I have never seen where the Type-C's. Huh. Let me see. It's a new one. I have not seen the power button on this one. Oh, here it is. So it's on this little corner. Wow. Okay, so they really thought about everything here. I think this one is run. This is a unit. It's actually. Oh wow. Okay. So if you're able to see, it has the backlit key cab, so it should be good. Oh, the HP, amazing. This is an amazing display I'm looking at right now. Supposed to be touchscreen as well. with the NVIDIA graphics and the Core i7. So it should be enough for me to be editing my videos, doing my hard work on. And of course it is the 2-in-1. So I am able to go all the way to the back if I want to. Ooh, or break it right away, huh? And it is kind of heavy. It's, I think, at 2.3 pounds. Well, okay, so I am a big user of the pen, so having this pen in here, it's actually...
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Okay, Cortana.
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
That's a tracking pen.
Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen.
Sounds great.
If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator.
Wow.
Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
Okay.
Your region is set to United States.
That is perfect.
Your keyboard is set to US. Do you
Correct.
also type with another keyboard layout?
No. Ooh, okay.
Now let's get you connected to a network. Now type your credentials.
I am gonna have to edit this out of the video, guys, so enjoy amongst yourselves, because this is my home password.
Mission accomplished.
Loads up everything. Loaded up my settings on the home screen. Wow, okay. Jumpstart, cool. So they have, think something. Personalized experience with new features. Let's go, see what it goes. Okay, so they have 25 for free, 25 gigabytes of job storage. So let's, cool. So I get to write on here. Oh, okay, so it read it, pretty good. What I like is that they include the pen. Normally companies won't include the pen because they're like, oh, it's gonna be too expensive, all this and that. Well, no, I love it. Okay, so they include that here now. See, I want to do, see how bright the screen can get. Let's actually check that out, see how bright the screen can get. So, right, oh, okay, that's pretty bright. Wow. Volume. Let's see. Go on the internet. I love that the screen is getting super bright. It's a super bright screen. Yes, still love my feedback. I love this. Welcome to Microsoft Edge. This is perfect. See, do they have my files? Get started. Next. It'll be fun. Let's go to YouTube. .com. I like the letters, but I don't like the font that they use. It's not the kind of font that I would use. Okay. Dismiss this. Make that bigger.
ABC tonight is the perfect night for the premiere of new comedy.
Who's living their best life?
With a 1-hour Goldbergs and
Beautiful sound. Okay, so we got that checked in. Let's go into the settings. I want to see they actually have the Bluetooth enabled, because I've heard that they have Bluetooth, some of them. I'm not sure if every one of the computers do, but I want to see CPU devices. Okay, so Bluetooth is enabled. So let me see. I can get my. Okay. Let's see if I turn this on. Okay, so it says it might have them. So let's see, connect. So let's see if this will work. So they're Bluetooth earbuds. Now they're connected to this. So they should show up here. So they're not gonna work in that sense. Okay, so that's not gonna work. Okay, this will be fine. Let's start downloading the stuff we need. Let's see if files should not be there just in case. Okay, so in terms of apps, we need to start downloading some. I do not know. I will give you a further review reporting whenever everything's set up. So thank you for watching, and wait until next time.